guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Felzy. If you're seeing this face for the first time, you're highly welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, okay, if you like what you see. What we are reviewing is a microwave oven. I've always wanted to get this. I hope you just surprised me. By the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, what are you waiting for? You're missing out on the phone. Please go and follow me. I'll write the handle somewhere here so that you can check me out and follow me. You'll see where I was trying to make a video and hubby came home with this. Like, he just, he swept me off my... Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So, this is what's it called? Hisense Microwave. We basically use Hisense in this house. The only product that is not Hisense, I think, is my deep freezer, and maybe my cooker. Every other thing, Hisense. Like my TV. This one also is Hisense. I didn't unbox it though. But you get it, you want it, you buy it, you get it. I don't know why I'm so happy. Okay. Wow. Let me bring the camera closer so that you guys can see. Oh wow, there's something here. This is heavy. This is a silver color microwave oven that weighs about 16 kg and its capacity is 36 liters. Wow, that is a lot. The wattage for this is 1000 while the voltage is 230 to 240. I haven't tried it with generator yet, but this is made of plastic, metal and glass. Kindly watch to the end of the video where I'll give you the key features of this microwave oven. How am I supposed to carry this in all by myself? This is heavy. No. I have to call hubby to help out. I can't carry this. How am I supposed to carry this thing? This is the 36 liters. Like, it's just too heavy. I'm going to call hubby to just help me take it out of the box, and I'll come back and continue with the video. Okay?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
So guys, this is the Hisense. Whoa, did you hear that? Free ASMR. Guys, can you beat it? Can you beat it? Like, I've been wanting to have one of this for the longest time. You know, when you freeze your food, we have this deep freezer, you have this part. The freezer also, like, works perfectly, both of them, and you always have to keep warming when you know you can easily microwave your food, eat and go. But anyway, I'm glad it's here. It is here. Okay, let me go ahead and test it for you guys.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Live a life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want,
Okay guys, in order to open it, you just need to press here. And voila. Okay, comes with a user manual, cooking tips and recipes. Oh, okay, try and go through this. I usually don't read the owner manual, but it's here. I'll see if I can just glance through it a bit. That's it.
all I need are some better days.
Guys,
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
anyway, I want to test it. What am I supposed to put in here? I think it's this hot plate. Is this? I better don't break this thing.
And I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night.
The key features of this microwave oven is that it has a digital control. It has 10 power settings. Can you believe that? It has silver exterior, as you can see. It has defrost function. It has glass turnable, which I showed you guys. Interestingly, it has a child safe lock and a mirror glass door. Wow. Hey guys, hope you're still there watching. Hope you are still hanging on there. Okay, so this is it here. I'm going to look for where I'm going to keep it, because it's not going to be on top of this deep freezer, maybe on top of the fridge. I don't know for where to keep it. I think this is too big. Like, it is really too big. I wish it was probably 20 liter or 25 liter, but 36 liters. What's up with the accent, babe? What's up? It's don't mind me. Okay, guys. So that's it. That's it about it. I've always wanted to have it, and now I have it. So I am happy. Okay. If there's any other thing about this purchase that need to inform you guys, I'll just write it down in the description for you to know. It's not so expensive. It's something you can buy. I think we bought this one around 60,000 as at 2022, July 2022. Yeah, I bought it today. The 20 liters or 25 liters should be a bit cheaper. In case you have it in mind that you need to buy it, sis, go and buy it. Help yourself, help your life. Go and buy it. Okay? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching up until this point. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Not okay, all I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.